afternoon, Sushma.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yeah, first of all, congratulations for your placement.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, myself, Neenu. I am from Quality Department. I just want to take a feedback from your side. Give an introduction about yourself, Sushma.
Myself, Sushma P. I'm from Bangalore. I have completed my BE in Civil Engineering from Vivekananda Institute of Technology in 2021. And right now, I'm pursuing a CACM course in CMTI
Okay, how do you come to know about CMTI?
through my friend, ma'am. His name is Praveen. He's also a student of CMTI. So through him, I got to know about this CMTI. So then I joined it.
Okay, see, apart from your college studies, no, how different was this CACM course? How
Like
interesting
in,
for it was to
yeah,
you?
like in college, we are learning only about the theoretical knowledge. We had only the theoretical knowledge. We didn't had the practical knowledge. So by coming to the CMK, we had visited so many site visits. We have gone through so many site visits. So we got more practical knowledge here, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, in CACM course, what all the things you have pursued? You can just brief out the points. What are the things you have
Like
learned?
yeah, we have learned about how to read the drawings, like reading of drawings, sequence of construction, methodology, QA/QC, quantity survey, bar bending schedule, material calculations, and some of the softwares like AutoCAD, SketchUp, and the cut list. Yes.
Okay. So you went for the site visits all, no? How was the site experience?
Our site visit trainer was a Redda Passer. So he was very supportive and coordinative. Like whenever we used to ask doubt, he used to clarify all the doubts, and we had a great experience, ma'am.
Okay. So CMTI Institute was different atmosphere, no? Like, so you was comfortable with the institute and the persons. So all the things, the staffs and other things was good.
Yes, ma'am. All the staffs and all the trainer were so supportive, and they used to motivate us. Not only teaching, they used to motivate us in life, like how to lead a life and all. So, like I had a great experience, ma'am.
Yeah. How did you crack the interview?
Before going to the interview, I watched the how to crack the interviews, and also I participated for the interior designer role. So for that, Cutlass helped me a lot. So I would like to thank Shivraj sir for teaching Cutlass. So all these things helped me to crack the interview.
Okay, you know about our CMTI app, right? So how much do you like the CMTI app?
It's a wonderful app, ma'am, because whenever we are not able to come to the offline classes, no, so at that time we can make use of this app. We have the recorded session in this app, so we can see that app like courses whenever we are free.
Okay. So in this batch also you may have got lot of friends. You are comfortable with the institution and the friends and everything was fine.
Yes, ma'am, it was very good.
Okay. So yeah, how was the CMTI staff's entire coordination with you? How did they guide you? You feel
Like
like
all the
you're
staff and
fine
all
with
the
things?
trainers were very supportive, and they were very coordinative.
Okay. So would you like to refer CMTI to your friends?
Definitely, ma'am.
Okay. So what is Sushma's point of view for upcoming juniors as well as who want to pursue the CACM course? What do you want to tell them?
I think, ma'am, for a fresher, I think this is the best platform to explore themselves, because well, here coming here means we can get more practical knowledge, and as a fresher we don't know like where to go and what job to accept. So I think CMTA is the best platform for all the freshers. So I would recommend all the freshers to join CMTA.
Thank you so much, Sushma, for the wonderful feedback. All the best for your career. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am.